Yeah. Foreign steel, precision build. This is Ewheelworks. Yeah. Roll correct, yeah, we do it first class. BBS on the whip, make them look twice fast. Powder coat clean, custom built to last. Ewheelworks, yeah, we don't have pass. BMW, all the Benz in the bay. Porsche, Lambo, yeah, we build them all day. Perfect offsets, flush fit, zero pole, concave, so deep. Yeah, the profiles, though, step lips. Barrel spec, style type, from stands to track builds, yeah, we get it right. Yeah. M-Series RS, AMG in the shop, GT3.